He shows strength, yet he is vulnerable. His eyes twinkle with a smile, but sometimes he cries. He dances like no one's watching, but at times he feels trapped. He talks really fast, but his voice is at times unheard. He is such a trusting man, but have to earn his bread unjust. He gives his love freely, but faces many prejudice. He feed guests with eagerness, but is paid a morsel. He is so full of life and hope and dreams, and just want to be given the same chance, the same opportunity as everyone else, because he is a Jamaican human being with real feelings, wants and needs, just like everyone else.